Hey my loves, so welcome back, and if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. So today I have a collective haul. I have some things from Dossier, Burlington, Marshalls, and TJ-maxx. So I'm going to share with you all what I got. I don't have a lot, but I got some goodies. So let's start off with Dossier. So I have a bunch of fragrance from Dossier that I will be sharing with you guys really soon. But for the month of June, I'm going to be sharing with you all two fragrance that I have right here. So Dossier is a fragrance company. They are known for having luxury inspired scents, and they are affordable. Their perfumes and their colognes are the fraction of the price that you get at like department stores like Macy's and Nordstrom's. Their perfume and colognes are $100 to like $400, and you can still get that same vibe. You can still get that same luxury scent from Dossier for the fraction of the price. Dossier is also at Walmart, so you can go in Walmart and smell a few fragrance from Dossier. You can also purchase Dossier on the Walmart website, or you can go through Dossier website. I have one cologne and I have one perfume. So let's get into the fragrance that I have. So the first one being the one that I've been wearing. This fragrance that I have here is called Floral Rhubarb. I had to look this word up because I've never seen it or heard it in my life. So the top notes in this fragrance is rhubarb, orange blossom, and peach. It also has a daffodil, milky accord, and this scent is inspired by Marc Jacobs Perfect. I don't think I ever smelled Marc Jacobs Perfect, so I can't really tell you like if it's spot on or whatever the case may be, but you guys can see I have a nice little dent in here. And let me tell y'all, I just got these perfumes from Dossier. They were kind enough to let me pick some out on their website, and I already put a dent in this one. This one smells so good. Oh my god, like I'm definitely getting all of the notes that is on this paper. And if you are new to Dossier, it does come in this box right here, and then you do get all the information about the fragrance. You get the notes, you get what it's inspired by, you get a little description about Dossier. The next fragrance that I got is actually a cologne. I want my boyfriend to smell it because he wears this scent. This is from D&G, Dossier & Gabbana, the one for men. I'm definitely gonna let him smell it if he likes it. He can definitely have it, but they do have men cologne on the website, and Father's Day is right around the corner, so you probably should be putting your orders now so you can get it in before Father's Day. This scent is called Woody Coriander. Yeah, Woody Coriander. Once again, this is inspired by D&G, the one for man. The top notes are coriander, green apple, and grapefruit, and it does have the middle notes and the base notes. So once again, Father's Day is coming up. Get your orders in, or go to Walmart and see what they have to offer inside the store. So yeah, those are the two fragrances I want to talk about for the month. I will leave a link down below so you guys can go directly to the website. I also will leave a link down below for Walmart's website, so you guys can go check out Dossier on Walmart's website, or like I said, you guys can check them out also inside the store, which you guys can smell it in person. So let's start off with Marshalls. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Marshalls. I did get another thing from Marshalls. I'm not gonna share that with you all in this video because I'm going to mention it in my favorites video, in my favorites and fails video. And just a little sneak peek, it was a fail. So I'm not gonna show that in this haul. I'm gonna wait till that video. Show y'all everything else that I got from Marshalls. So the first thing I have here is from Sigma. This is a brush. This is their E58 cream color brush, and it's just basically a flat brush. I did buy some hygiene products. I bought this fragrance mist from Kenneth Cole for her. First of all, the packaging is so cute. It's pink, and I already used a little bit of it. I'm already kind of like right here. I love this scent. It smells so good. It reminds me of Victoria's Secret's Love Spell blush, and that I found that years ago at Victoria's Secret's in my annual sale, and it's discontinued now, of course. This reminds me of Victoria's Secret's Love Spell blush. Like, I don't even know why they discontinued that. That smells so good. This is just a soft, pretty scent. Now, the longevity, I got a whiff of it throughout the day. You could get a good couple hours out of this. I don't know if it's like a perfume for this. So the next product I got is from Aveeno. I really don't buy a lot of things from Aveeno. I feel like maybe when I was younger, I did. But as an adult, I don't really gear towards Aveeno unless I need to, but I never need to. So I picked this up because it said creamy oil, And I love anything that says milk or creamy or oil based or anything like that when it comes to like moisturizing the body. And I wanted to try this out. The scent for this is oatmeal and almond oil, and you can definitely smell that in here. This was $6.99. I haven't used it yet. It's just been sitting in the bag. But yeah, I went ahead and picked this up because I wanted to try it. And not that I needed some more lotion, I just wanted to try it. And speaking of some more lotion, this is the last of the hygiene products that I got from Marshall. 2 bottles of the Nivea body milk. Once again, like I said, I like stuff that says milk in it, so I picked up these 2. And the reason why I picked up 2 because I didn't know if I was going to be able to find this again. This was only $5.99, and this is the Nivea body milk intense moisture lotion. The last thing that I got from Marshall's is a purse. I found this Juicy Couture purse at Marshall's. I found this purse actually in one of my vlogs, but I found it in pink. And I had it in my hand. I walked around the store with it, but I put it back because I'm like, I'll just wait, and I had no business shopping in there anyway. So I'm glad I put it back because I found a bag in black. So excited. Now I know I'm going to wear this more than I would have worn the pink one, and I thought about it. I'm like, I didn't need the pink one because I have a pink Juicy Couture bag shape similar to this in pink that I don't really reach for. So it didn't make sense for me to get the pink one, but I really like the bag, so I was able to find it in black. This was only $19.99. I really love the strap. I think that's why I wanted to get it, because of the strap. And it says Juicy on the strap, and it's kind of like raised a little bit. But and then I love the what is this called, the zipper part, and it's so cute. It's so me. It's giving me fall vibes. I don't know why it is, but I love it. I'm so happy I was able to find it in black. I only have one thing from Tj-maxx, and I bought another purse. Yeah, I know I don't need one. So it's a page that I follow on Facebook. I know I have a lot of new subscribers here, but I love Halloween. I love Halloween, and the page that I follow on Facebook, a lot of the girls on there share like a lot of cute, like spooky finds that they've been finding until Halloween comes. And a lot of the girls on there have been finding this cute Betsy Johnson purse. And y'all know Betsy Johnson is so creative when it comes to the purse and clothing and shoes, just anything. I've seen a few girls share it. I'm like, I know I'm not gonna be able to find it. When at Tj-maxx, they had like 5 of them, and they also had it in gray. Y'all, I had to get this bag. It has skulls all over it. Like I said, it's from Betsy Johnson. When I seen this on Facebook, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta find it. I just knew I was gonna be on the hunt. But my first day looking for it, I found it. It was sitting right there. It's only $24.99. Y'all, so cute. And it does come with the little pouch. It's like a vanity style purse. If you want to, you can use this as a makeup bag, but I'm going to be carrying this bag. A lot of brands are doing the thick strap with their name on it. I can take that off, and if I want to be more casual, I can wear the skinny strap with the chain on it. But perfect. I haven't even unzipped the bag neither. I don't know what the inside look like. Oh, okay. This is my first time unzipping the bag. So it just says Betsy Johnson in it. Yep, so that's how big it is. Definitely my vibe. I love that. Last but not least, let's move on to Burlington Coat Factory. Went to Burlington, got several things. Let me find it. Okay, so I seen this shirt at Burlington, and I instantly thought of my mom because she loves shoes. And I was only able to find a small. I was trying to find a bigger size, but it does stretch. But this shirt was so cute. It was only $7.99. And I just thought this was so cute. So cute. Y'all, look at this. It says Nickelodeon on the front, and it says 90s right here. Back of this is what got me. Look at the back. It got everybody and their mama on here. You got Arnold, you got Angelica, Chucky. Let me put this on so y'all can see. I visualized what I was going to look like with this. I would like to find some nunkies. What are nunkies? Nikes. What the hell is a nunkie? I would like to find some Nike Dunks to go with this color story. Oh my god, you can't tell me nothing. But if I can't find it, I'm gonna have to take this shirt with me. I'm gonna have to go on a hunt and I'm gonna have to take this shirt with me. But if I can't find it, I was just thinking about like a white tank top, some like light denim wash shorts, put this over with some white Air Force Ones and a cute purse. I got a purse. I think I still have it. I don't think I do. Crap, I decluttered. I had a purse with these colors in there. See, you see what happens when you declutter and you be looking at it, you be like, I'm gonna need you one day for something, and then when you go try to look for it again in the store, you can't find it. I'll tell you. Okay, so like I said, this is a 1X, but I can still, you know, I can wear it, so it ain't no like true 1X. But here's the front. It says Nickelodeon, and like it's super duper cute. Look at the sleeve. Here's the back. So cute. I hope I'm in frame. So cute, and it does cover my butt. The next thing that I got, I finally got a pair of the Juicy Couture shorts. I feel like I always find a pair and I can't find my size. So they had plenty this time. And these were only $10.99. Only $10.99. And I got the pack with the black pair. It got JC over it. And then on the back, it's the pink pair and got Juicy on the butt. And I feel like I always find like extra small or something like that. But I found they had medium and large. I felt like the large looked way too big, but I probably could have still worn it. But I just went ahead and got the medium. I'm just wearing it around. I'm just wearing this around the house. So these are super cute. I just love it. I just love the fact that we have easy access to getting Juicy Couture. I got these Juicy Couture slides. These were only $6.99. These were only $6.99, and I couldn't believe it. I'm like, are y'all sure? But I guess so. I got a size 8. I could have did an 8.5, but the only reason why I got these is because I was just looking at the pop-up colors in here, and I could choose whatever color in here and just wear that color, and I could wear these slides with it because it's black, and then it's just the color right here. I'm pretty sure these are for like Pride Month or something like that, but I just got them because of the color. And I definitely want to do like the pop of red in here. So yeah, I think these are so cute. They look so cute on the feet. I was just thinking about wearing these with like an ankle bracelet. And the last thing that I got from Burlington Coat Factory, the reason why I went to Burlington Coat Factory is because I was watching MY-REE TikTok. She is so girly. I love her TikToks and love her videos as well. But she showed this Juicy Couture purse. I was like, I gotta get it. I have to go get it. The minute I walked in, I've seen it. So that's the reason for this Burlington Coat Factory trip. I feel like I've been talking so much in this video. But yes, I just had to get this purse. It was just so cute to me. This purse is the Chestnut Chino Satchel. And the original price was $89. But I got it for $27.99. And this is what it looks like. And y'all, I really like this purse. I like the color. Now this for sure giving me fall vibes as well, but you can wear this all year round. So cute. And it does have the like pink, you know, little tag or whatever that is. But yeah, I seen this in her TikTok. I was like, oh, I gotta get that. And I like I like purses that are shaped like this as well. So I think that's what really sold me. They also had this in black and gray, and I was gonna get the black and gray, but I just felt like I can wear this more than the black and gray. I know that sounds weird, but it was like really black and gray. You know what I mean? Versus this, I can wear this with a lot more stuff. This is what it looks like in the inside. It just says Juicy. I don't want to take the paper out yet until I use it. But I thought that was so cute, you guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. If you're just stopping by, that is fine as well. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.